All right. Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming to the Trufi code orientation for the back end. We are Trufi. Our mission is to make public transportation more accessible and more transparent through open source applications and open data solutions. I am Nicole, the volunteer coordinator, and today we have Soren here, our IT administrator and back-end expert and guru. And he's going to walk us through the back end and how everything works. So if you have any questions, you can either raise your hand and interrupt us and we can answer on the spot, or you can put your questions in the chat. Soren, can I pass the stage to you to say
Yes,
a little bit more about what we are doing today?
yes, sure. Today, uh, you might already know, I will show you how it works out with the backend. And the backend basically consists of two parts. The services needed to run the full backend, and the builder scripts, because the backend just serves this data, and that data needs to be built. And this is the two components we are going to dive into today. And this will be also strictly split up, so you don't get confused. One word beforehand. Um, we work with Linux, so every step is optimized to work on Linux. Windows is not supported because Windows you don't normally use on servers. And since we are going to set up like if we would do that for a production server, at least for the server part, it's best to use to get used to Linux and to the command line, because if you run your production server, you won't have any graphical user interface. You will have a command line. I will come to that later. I will also explain every command we type in, and for this purpose, I want to ask shortly who did install Ubuntu on a virtual machine. No one? Okay. That's was also not required. So you will just then watch, and I will show you how it needs to be done.